Hello, this is O. Morgan from omorganlabs.com. Today we're going to do polynomial factoring using the X method. Today, A is not going to equal to 1. It's going to be different. So when we do this, the X method is going to take a slightly different form. So today we're going to use 20x squared plus x minus 1 as our equation, as our quadratic equation we're trying to factor. So we have polynomial or a quadratic A, B, and C. The difference here is A times C is going to be in the top. This is our multiplication figure, our thing we take factors from. And we put our factors in the same areas, here and here. And then the B goes where it was when A equals 1. So the A times C, that's the main difference in polynomial factoring with A not equal to 1. Okay, so here we go. We have A is 20, C is negative 1. So we put those together. And now we get the factors. I go outside in. So 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. And we run out of numbers, so we have all the factors that we need. Next step is to figure out which pair gives us 20. So, well, all these pairs give us 20. Which pair gives us 20 but adds to b plus 1? So that would be the 4 and the 5. Minus 4 plus 5 gives us plus 1. So those are our factors we put here and here. Okay? Next step. We put the factors in factor form, but we divide by A. If you see over here, factor form, divide by A. That's the extra step. So we have x minus 4 over 20, x plus 5 over 20. And you see here, we're just plugging it in the factor form like we did last time, but we're dividing by A. And then we simplify, and we get x minus 1/5 times x plus 1/4. Last step is we check it. We could either use the FOIL method, the happy tomato. Last time I didn't draw the happy tomato very good, but happy tomato, well, I messed up again. But anyway, happy tomato or the FOIL method. So first, x squared, outer, 1/4, inner, 1/5 x minus 1/5 x, and last, negative 1 over 20. We gather like terms. That's x over 20. And then we bring everything else down. And then to get rid of the denominator, we multiply the whole equation by 20. And then we get our original equation, so it checks out. Another way you can check this is using your calculator, okay? If you're doing this, you're probably not using a calculator in your class. This is probably an Algebra 1 class, but in the end, you can use your TI-85 or TI-84 calculator and use the polysolve function. I have a video on TI-84 polynomial solve and TI-85 polynomial solve. Just look up TI-84 polynomial solve and it'll come up. Okay, that's it. Hope you learned something, how to factor using the X method when A is not equal to 1. Enjoy and subscribe.